Alrighty, what's up everybody? It's your boy Josh here, the Kriner Scoop. And we're going to be doing a little DIY today. It's been a minute, so just to let you know, it's Friday and the project is to fix my old Ikea storage drawers so they hold our clothes under here. You can kind of see it's all messed up. I think some wheels fell off. I already actually just finished fixing this one, and I was down to 3 wheels. We had 4 originally, but I repositioned it from the 2 in the front to 1 in the middle. And yeah, now it's rolling. Look at it. Smooth. You kind of see it's like straightened up with the bed, which is what we want. Whereas over here, it's all messed up. It's just kind of dragging on the carpet. The wood's coming apart, so we're gonna fix that today. Hey. First things first, any good handyman is gonna need his tools. So let's see what we got here. We're definitely gonna need this power drill with our little Phillips head bit. And then, what is this? Bag of screws. And we might need those screws. I don't think I have any spare wheels, so hopefully they've got all the wheels under there. Alright, I think that's all we need. Let's get building. Okay, so back to our operation here. Let's pull this out, empty out my clothes. Okay, let's go ahead and vacuum this out real quick. Okay, now that that's been cleaned out, let's flip it over, see what we got going on under there. Oh, it's already wanting to come apart up top. We are definitely missing, these are where the wheels went. We have 1 wheel. So hopefully there's some more under the bed here. Otherwise, this could be a tricky repair. I don't see a wheel. Oh, jeez. Okay, well maybe there's a wheel under the drawer I fixed already, because I didn't really look. You see any wheels? You tell me. Put in the comments. Is that my belt? No, it's a bag. No wheel, huh? Blast. Okay, so we're gonna have to do this repair with 1 wheel. So y'all aren't gonna believe this. I did one extra check in my equipment closet that I got my tools from, and I found 1 more bag. And lo and behold, it's got my wheels. All 4 that I'm missing actually, which is awesome. Well, it's not awesome because I fixed the first drawer, and I only used 3 wheels total, even though they're supposed to get 4, because I thought I didn't have any more. But it's working, so we're just gonna leave it with 3, and we'll have an extra wheel for when that, if that breaks. It's probably not gonna break because I built it. But yeah, so we got wheels, but now we need to make sure we have some have screws with them, but the others don't. So I need to find enough screws that fit these, because they can't be too long of screws or they'll stab right through the drawer, and that'll be no good. Don't want it stabbing my clothes. So yeah, I guess with all that said, let's find some screws and get drilling. Not screwing, drilling. Okie dokie. So got out my wheels here, and we only have 2 screws total, so we're gonna have to find some screws. Also got out my little handy Ikea, rotator piece. So we're gonna need this actually because we need to make sure all these pieces are tightened up. They were actually all missing pretty much from the other drawer, so I got some screws and just power drilled it in to reattach it, but looks like these are the original pieces, so let's just tighten them up. Oh, this piece doesn't fit. Let's try one of these bad boys. This one looks like the smallest, but looks like the same size as this. Let's give it a shot.
This one's just freckles.
Okay, so that was the wrong size as well. So I went and got my DeWalt pieces. Nothing there worked. I found some other little things deep in the bag, but it's the same size as that. So I seem to have lost the original piece. But no matter, because our boys at iFixit and girls and everyone else has gotten us this toolkit to solve our problems. So shout out to iFixit. All these wonderful tools. Gonna shove them up against the window. Got some stickers. Probably throw that in my next eBay sale. I like to give a little stickers, a little bonus for my sales. Go check out the Kriner Scoop Shop if you haven't already. And support the channel. Support Special Olympics North Carolina. Do the right thing. Welcome to the Repair Revolution. Okay, that's enough about them. Let's get back to the question at hand. How are we going to fix this? Okay, so let's just tighten all these up. All that work finding this tool, and all these are pretty good already. What the? Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. Good news, good news. We found some screws that'll work wonderfully for these wheels. Okay, great news. We found some screws that'll work perfectly for these little wheels. Actually, I think this originally came with it, so that's good news. All right. Stay. Okay, one last step before we attach those back on all 4 corners. Here's the original for reference. Let's just tighten up these outside screws so this thing doesn't come loose again. I don't even know if that really affects that part, but just pretend. Sweet. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's get drilling. Vroom, vroom. I'm just gonna drill this right beside the old holes. this. Wrong way. There it goes. That is locked and loaded. I wouldn't call it super straight, but should be fine. I hope. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking with gas. Oh. Oh, my back. Get the old wood crust out of there. Always gotta watch out for the wood crust. Keep it consistent, the gold screw in front. Oops, lost my screw. Whoa, Nelly. Oh, Lord. This is tough. And we don't need this one. That's our spare. Alright, now that we're done, let's see the final results. there you have it. That is some DIY on the drawer. Couple of notes. My wheels were a little crooked, so maybe measure, get a protractor before you attach them, because it's causing the drawer to come out just a little crooked. But that's okay, because it's my drawer, so I'll deal with it. Lightest drawer, even though it only has 3 wheels, is actually coming out very smooth. So let me just change this camera. See, hers comes out nice and easy. So I got lucky on that one. Yeah, this one, it's pretty good. It's also really full. Let me move this to this stack. But yeah, definitely looks a lot better. They're a lot closer in line. This one's still sitting a little higher on 4 wheels than 3, which is kind of bothering me, but oh well, looks better than it did. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something here today. A little DIY action. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the flippity flop. See you later.